Bro, I think something's wrong with me.
What happened?
I sneezed once, and now I think I need a will.
Wait, what?
I Googled it. It's called dramatic overreaction disorder. D.O.D for short.
You sneezed and diagnosed yourself.
Yes, first it was a sneeze. Then I blinked twice. Now I'm convinced my body's shutting down.
Dude, you just need sleep and water.
Tell my mom I love her.
You're literally drinking iced coffee and watching cat videos.
Don't let me go out like this. Not with unfinished Netflix shows.
Guys, subscribe or you might catch this too.